Okay, hello, 1, 2, 3, mic testing. What is up guys, it's your boy DCS back again. Yes, this time I'm back after a very long time. I know my voice, you guys haven't heard it for weeks now. So it was always a short wheel series, but now I'm just back with the Diecast series. So I just thought, why don't I just come up with my voice again? So yeah, the short wheel series is gonna continue guys. So I'm not done with my exams yet, and I just got a little bit of free time and I saw this Diecast model lying there, so I just thought that why don't I just come up with my voice again? So yeah, this time it's a full video guys, and I've got this cool Diecast car. It's a pullback action Mel car 132 scale from RMD guys. It's a really cool one this time. It's a BMW M4, an amazing BMW. It's a Beamers. So yeah, the M series guys, legit cool. I love the M4, even though there's a lot of meme on Instagram telling that its grills are too large. But still guys, I really love this car because the first time when I saw it, it was in the ad of the Pennzoil. It was so damn cool guys, like really cool. Loved it. It was looking so sick. Love the design too. It's kind of simple sedan type, but it's cool. So yeah guys, I really can't say much about it. It has a lot of details which we'll discuss in the unboxing. But before that, first talking about the previous video which I uploaded, that was Dodge D100. Check it out if you're interested in my short wheel series. So it'll be up on the screen right here. So now going for the unboxing guys. Oh yeah, just one more thing. The short wheel series is going to continue after this. I'm not going to get my voice anytime soon. I mean my full videos anytime soon guys. So please do cooperate. I hope you guys really like my short wheel series too. Just comment that down below too. Alright, going for the unboxing now. Alright guys, the BMW M4, the Beamer, is out of the box and it looks pretty damn stunning. I really love the color on this, damn cool. But yeah, the wheel rims are pretty stock, so not so impressive. But still guys, the design is pretty damn amazing. This is how it looks at the front. The M4, really nice. Actually, the other M4s look pretty damn bold, but this one's just the base one. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's really nice then too, and I love the interior guys. It has a lot of detailing on the inside too. This is how it looks on the inside. Okay, sorry if it's kind of blurred, but this is how it looks on the inside. Really nice. I love the interior, and this is how it looks when the doors are open. Pretty slick. I really like the design. The headlamp detailing is also done pretty nicely, and the M4 nameplate is also so damn nice. And it also has that bold exhaust. That's so cool with the M4 logo at the rear. They have done a pretty good detailing on this. Really like it. And let's listen to the pullback action. Here it goes. Ah, that's kind of nice. I really like the sound on this. So yeah guys, why don't we just go for the information now, as we have taken a round look of this BMW. Let's go for the info. So now it's the info time of the M4. It is the information guys of the BMW M4, the Diecast series BMW right here guys. So why don't we just start off with the engine? As it is the Diecast series, it's gonna be a bit short guys. So yeah, let's move on with the engine guys. The engine is a 3-liter LS55 twin turbo inline 6-cylinder guys, and there are many other options which I haven't listed in this because it's a short info. So yeah guys, moving on to the transmission. The transmission is a 6-speed manual, or you can upgrade it with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. I really prefer the dual clutch guys, because yeah, this car you better not have a manual. I mean the manual is also cool, but still I would prefer the dual clutch for more performance. Going for the acceleration time guys, the acceleration time of this car is 4.1 seconds. Not a bad time. But the shocking part is the top speed guys. The top speed of this car is 182 miles per hour. That's 293 kilometers per hour. It's really very good. That's so good guys. The top speed is insanely good. So going for the price guys, the price of this car at present, it is ranging from $39,000 to about $51,000 guys. That's in present money. So I don't think the prices are either bad, you know. Well, going for the horsepower is 425 horsepower of yeah, the engine, that's really good power, guys. I really like that. So that's the end of the information, guys. Comment your thoughts on that down below. I'll check them out. So going for the ratings out of a 10, I give a 9, guys. Yes, it deserves a 9. That's really good. I really love this BMW, and its details are awesome, and its performance is even more cool. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week with the short wheel series. Till then, stay tuned, guys. Have fun and stay safe. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.